In breaking inputs from Jammu and Kashmir, in fact, we are learning that Congress has released its first list of Jammu and Kashmir star campaigners, and we are learning that Lal Singh will be one of Congress's star campaigner. Remember, Lal Singh has also backed the Kathua rapists in the past. He is also been accused of, harboring misplaced political ideologies, and in fact BJP has slammed the Congress decision, saying that in 2018 Congress wanted Minister Lal Singh sacked because he allegedly came in support of the rapists of the 8-year-old Asifa in the Kathua rape case. Now in 2024, not only does Priyanka Gandhi Vadra ensure him a ticket to contest LS elections on a Congress ticket, but also he is now their star campaigner during the assembly elections of Jammu and Kashmir. The hypocrisy of Ladki Hoon Brigade is at some other level. That's the attack coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let's also listen into what Shehzad Poonawalla has to say.
वाह, क्या अलायंस है। आम आदमी पार्टी और कांग्रेस का ये जो गठबंधन है ना, इसमें कोई मिशन विशन नहीं, केवल कंफ्यूजन, अपना अपना एम्बिशन और पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ डिवीजन, पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ करप्शन। इसीलिए पंजाब में अलायंस बन नहीं पाया। वहां पर एक दूसरे को कहते हैं हम आप, और इस कभी हाँ कभी ना के बीच, मतलब कि अलायंस बनाने की पूरी प्रक्रिया के बीच आज दिल्ली कांग्रेस ने आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता को ही अपनी ओर कर लिया। ये दिखाता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी और आम आदमी पार्टी वैसे तो बताती हैं कि हम एक दूसरे के साथ हैं इंडिया अलायंस में, पर एक दूसरे के खिलाफ कैसे काम करती है।
All right, let's quickly go across to Tejinder, who's joining me on the phone line. Tejinder, the fact of the matter is that Lal Singh has been seen as a very controversial figure. Remember, he was sacked by the Congress party itself in 2014, and he was re-inducted this year itself in March, when the Congress, in fact, even tried to downplay it.
You see, yes, you rightly pointed out that Lal Singh is known a controversial figure in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Not only he supported the Kathua rapist, he held several rallies. He was the one who was demanding a CBI inquiry into the entire episode wherein this 8-year-old girl was raped and killed. Lal Singh with another leader had supported them, and after that, though at that point in time Lal Singh was a minister in the BJP PDP-led government in Jammu and Kashmir, but BJP later sacked him for his support for those who allegedly committed the rape and murder of that 8-year-old girl. Lal Singh has also been facing the heat from Enforcement Directorate. Just a couple of months ago, he was arrested by the ED in a land scam case. There are several FIRs that have already been registered against Lal Singh, his brother, his supporter. If you remember, Lal Singh's brother was booked when he had at that point in time used unparliamentary language against the then sitting Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti.
Right.
So he was absconding for some time, and now not only he has been given a ticket for assembly polls by the Congress party, but he has been inducted as one of the star campaigner along with other party leaders, including Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Malika Arjun Kharge. So Lal Singh's name figuring on the star campaigner list has not only left the people in the area shocked, because they say that Lal Singh, who is having a controversial background, he left one party, then joined another, then he left that party, he formed his own party, and now abusing Rahul Gandhi openly, after abusing the Priyanka Gandhi Vadra openly. He is now part of the Congress core team in Jammu and Kashmir. Yes.
All right.